Come on in, welcome to my home. Here's a recipe didn't expect to make. In fact, it's barely a recipe, but it's something you might need. Alright, as of recording of this video, we are still in lockdown, or stay-at-home order. So getting out to the store is not as easy as it used to be. And even when you do, they don't always have the ingredients that you need. Well, the next recipe that I'm going to make, which actually shows up next week, I do believe, needs buttermilk. And I don't have milk. I don't have buttermilk. I don't have one of the ingredients that you would normally use to make buttermilk, which is lemon juice. You can add lemon juice to regular milk to do a substitute for buttermilk. I have none of that. So what do? I do the next best thing. Buttermilk basically is milk that has acid in it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take powdered milk. I always have powdered milk on hand because sometimes I run out of milk. I don't use it that often. Most of the time I use just regular oat milk. All the ingredients are listed down below along with some product links. And then I have cream of tartar. This is one of those things where you buy this and then you don't use it for years because usually you only use it in like very few things, meringues, that sort of stuff. And so what I had my water. That was just 2 cups of water, my milk powder, and use as much as you need according to the directions of your powdered milk. And then this is my cream of tartar, and that's 2.5 teaspoons of cream of tartar. There we go. All right, you have a couple choices here. You can mix this up, or you can do what I'm doing, which is just shake it. You want to shake this until it is thoroughly incorporated. Now, something to remember. Am I making buttermilk to drink? No, I am not. This is not buttermilk to drink. This is buttermilk to cook with. So, for cooking, this will be wonderful. I do want to stress, for cooking this is going to be great. It'll make a great substitute. It was so quick to make. And it's just an easy substitute for buttermilk. Well, if you make this, let me know. You can get a hold of me on most social media at CM Coleman Home. I am going to use this in a recipe that I'm just about ready to make. Well, for you it'll be next week. But it'll be really cool, or you can use this in anything that calls for buttermilk. We'll see, unless it's buttermilk pancakes, because you really do want the taste of buttermilk in something like buttermilk pancakes. All right. I hope you do enjoy this. Let me know down in the comments what you thought about this. And I hope I get to see you again next time. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. You can share it. Don't forget to subscribe and check out the other videos on this channel. I love making these videos for you, and I hope I get to see you again next time.